Approximately 4 months ago, we bought a new project. It's raining at the moment, but this project has been stemmed by the fact that our family has grown. We've got more people in the family now, and our little boat couldn't cope with that anymore during summer. And another fact is, with COVID, it's very difficult to travel now. So I've decided that it's better to spend our time around Port Phillip Bay in Melbourne. Hence the fact that we're selling our other little boat and we've bought something a little bit bigger. But it's not just a boat, it's a project, so it needs some TLC. So I'd like to welcome you to our next project. Alright, so we're in the boat now. As you can see, we'll go down into the cabin. Alright, so this is what the cabin looks like with the new seating. Patricia's played a big role in getting all the seating right. So basically we've put all new cushions, all new vinyl padding all around. Timber, we replaced, basically we had all fabric, floral fabric, everywhere, even where the timber is. We decided it looked really horrible, so we just pulled it all out and put new vinyl, bit of timber in, put a new mirror in, new mood lighting in the corners, all new cushioning. Right, so we've put all the mood lighting under the pads as well. You can see different coloured lighting above the pads and below, so they reflect up on the walls. Done that in the back as well. Put some new switching in both sides. Shelf, proper shelf above the galley. Mood lighting under the kitchen as well. We've replaced the lights at the back of the cabin as well. So there's a cabin underneath inside the boat. You can get down and go underneath. Basically we're still building these cushions here for the underside, so that's one of the projects we're doing at the moment. It also has a head. Alright, so there's a window cover over there. We've just left them on at the moment. Has a foot operated water valve and suction operated toilet, similar to what an aeroplane has, but not on that scale. So if you've ever been in a small toilet on an aeroplane, half that size, and that's the size of this toilet room. It's also a shower as well. So we have our engine is a 5 litre. Just lift that up. 5 litre mercruiser. It's a similar engine, 5 litre mercruiser, which is a 305, which is a 307 Chev. If any of you know cars, similar to the old 307 Chevs. We've had some problems with the alternator. We fixed that. We've got a few other things we want to fix up. So there's more video content coming up. So subscribe. So if you want to see, we replaced all the new cup holders. Alright, so I've put new ones in, and they're a bit of an ordeal because we had to grind them out. Rod holders. We had some problems with the rod holders. Water was coming in on the canvas, going in the rod holders, and they were not tubed to the bilge, or tubed externally, and they were leaking water inside the cabin. So we've rectified that. Plumbing, had to use some plumbing skills to find those leaks. Had to become a water detective, so we found that on both sides. We fixed that. We've still got some other issues that we've got to fix. She needs some TLC, so we're working on it. We hope to have it all ready by summer. Had to fix some of the switches, change some of the lighting. We've still got to replace some of the switches on the dash. We had to replace this switch for the anchor because it wasn't working properly, so that's done. Matthew has replaced all of the lighting throughout the cabin with LEDs. Put the LED globes in. He's put another light in here so that if we're out in the dark, it's an LED and we can just leave that on. It's more of a mood light as well for the cabin. Some of the projects Matthew wants to do as well is put lighting underneath the cushions there and lighting under the back seat. So we've still got a few things to go, and we're looking forward to it. If you want to see us build and fix this boat or any other project, subscribe.